Okay, let's talk about the domain of a function. Remember in class we said that our domain is all real numbers unless, because we had some restrictions on our domain sometimes. So one time that it may not be all real numbers is if I have a fraction. So what is it on a fraction we can't have? Well, we had said that our denominator cannot equal 0. So we're going to set our denominator not equal to 0 and solve, and then we'll write our domain as all real numbers except x cannot equal and whatever we have as our answer there. Another restriction is if we have an even root radical, meaning square root, fourth root, 10th root, 100th root, as long as it's even. I wrote radius, sorry, I was talking and doing this radical. All right, any even number as the root. So I'm just going to use the square root as one. So you're going to take your square root and you're going to have to set it greater than or equal to 0, because remember, you can't take the square root of a negative number. When you do this, you're going to solve, and your domain will be either like x is greater than or equal to some number, or it might be x is less than or equal to some number, depending on what's underneath that radical. The third thing is if it's a set of ordered pairs. So remember, it's a set of ordered pairs, you're just going to list your x values. And then the fourth thing is if it's a real world problem. These are like word problems, or maybe they're dealing with formulas, something like that. There's really no shortcut on this is what you need to do. The main thing is you just got to read it. Read it and make sure that the numbers that you would get would make sense.